So our coral reef restoration expeditions are fairly simple. Individuals will meet us in the morning for a short training session to learn the methodologies before we hand the tools over to them to actually participate and contribute firsthand. So in the morning session, we'll use simple models like you see in front of me here to learn the techniques and the tools necessary to grow and transplant corals. So the first is a coral nursery tree. This is the structure we use, so individuals learn how to care and clean these trees, to measure the corals for our monitoring records, and then to actually collect. And so we'll actually have the tools they need available so they can test them out firsthand before using them in the water. So at that first dive or snorkel, we'll have the individuals do those tasks. They will clean trees and they will collect corals to then be transported to a local restoration site. So before going in the water at the restoration site, we'll do the same thing. We'll present the tools necessary for outplanting corals and we'll show them the techniques firsthand. So it'll be a simple model like this. We'll have a reef model and we'll show them roughly the size fragment that we'd like them to collect, and then how best to transplant it using simple zip ties, driving nails into the reef, and then attaching the corals with those zip ties. So once we demonstrate that on the water, or on top of the water, we'll then also go below water to show them firsthand so they can mirror our techniques. So with this simple training, both above water and below, individuals are able to directly contribute to our coral reef restoration and have significant impacts in the recovery of these threatened coral species.